Roxine of Creative Originals by Roxine. Welcome to my very first tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to begin with a small round wooden disc, natural wood if you can find them. It needs to be approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, and it should probably be anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. If you can find natural wood, that would be the best thing. I actually ordered mine off Amazon. Now we're going to draw a design on our disc. This can be a very simple design. It doesn't have to have anything real detailed or be complicated. I think what I'm going to draw is what I call a mandala. And what I'm going to do then is just demonstrate how I draw this mandala. You'll see that I'm going to make a vertical line straight down the center of the disc. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then once I draw my straight line, I'm going to turn the disc around and draw another vertical line to divide the disc into quarters. And then after that, I'm just going to draw all the intersecting lines as if I'm dividing a pie into 8 sections. Next, I'm going to draw half moon shapes and then a straight line from tip to center in each triangle section of the mandala. So as you can see there, I'm just doing a half moon shape, and then I do from point of the line to the center of where the half moon is. Next, we're going to draw half moon shapes at the edge in between the straight line and the half moon shape. Heat setting of approximately 4 on the heavy duty side of my wood burning Super Pro 2. I'm going to burn all of these straight lines on the disc. So I'll do all of that first before I go to any of the curved lines. And once I'm done with all the straight lines, then we'll come back to the curved lines. Next, we're going to do the small half moons between the triangle tip and a straight line. We're going to do those all the way around on the disc. If you'll notice, I'm using the tip of my B pen tip, and it's very pointed, and as long as your heat settings exactly what it should be to burn the wood with ease, mine's on about a 4. Then I should be able to go all the way around the disc and get all of these curved areas around the perimeter burned. Next, we're going to burn the half moon shape inside all of the triangle areas. And we'll do that again with the tip of my wood burner at about a setting of 4. And you don't have to be perfect with that. That is just fine. You just want to try to go from center to tip of the line in a curved manner. And do that on all the triangle shapes if you're making a similar shape, so that you can get the shape in here, you know, with as much accuracy as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to shade that in, and so we can correct any little, you know, shaky spots or little areas that you don't think are as perfect as you would like to see. The whole idea, though, is just to at least get where you want to do your shading burned into this wood. My sister and I both use the Super Pro 2 wood burner. Actually, my sister is the one that got me into wood burning. And the next thing that we're going to do, we're actually going to start shading these half moon areas. My sister has a business called the Bamboo Board by Deb. She makes amazing designs on bamboo cutting boards. Right now I'm using the tip of my pen, and I'm just making a small design in between as a decoration. So you can do that as well. And then we'll go into shading all the half moon areas here in just a moment. Now we're going to be shadowing all the half moon areas within our triangles. You want to use the side of your wood burning tip. That works very well. You also want to be sure that you move along with the grain of the wood. By burning along the grain of the wood, you're going to have a smoother burn and it will burn faster for you. So be sure to try to, whatever tip you're using, practice on a piece of scrap wood to make sure that you're going to get what you want in its look. If it's not burned dark enough, just go back over it and burn it again. Okay, it's beginning to take shape. Next, I'm going to put some small little dots using the point of my B pen or tip, removable tip. I'm just going to put a few small dots in each triangular area. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to use the tip of my B removable tip, and I'm going to make some more triangular little burned areas within those half moon spots. And that just pretty much brings the entire design together. As you can see, it's beginning to look pretty nice. We're ready for the varnish. And I just use, a craft varnish. I don't buy anything real expensive. This is from Americana. And I'm just going to paint the outer edge of the face of the wood disc, and then I will glue with E6000 the bell onto the back. Well, I've attached the bell and I've added the necklace, and these are the ones that I have made just so far this week. I absolutely love them. I think they're gorgeous. And you can use a permanent marker to do some dark painting around the perimeter of each one, or you can use a paint. Really, that's your decision on what you want to do there. But you can kind of see, the edging as on that. That's a cross with the fish, and then the edge is done in a permanent marker. And then you sign the back, of course, with your name and the date that you did that. And they just turn out so beautiful. And have fun. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my YouTube channel. Please send me some comments on how you think I can improve this. I know I can improve it. There's lots of things I can do better. So I'm really interested in hearing from all of you. And thank you so much for watching my channel and my first video for today. You all take care. Bye-bye.